Step 1. Hardware connection. Firstly, power on the modem. Secondly, connect the telephone line to the DSL port of the modem. Thirdly, connect your computer to LAN port of modem by a cable. Step 2. Set up the modem. Open a browser on your computer. Type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and then press Enter. The default login username and password are both admin. Click Login. Choose the link type as DSL. Choose your internet connection type. If you don't know about it, please consult your ISP. We take PPPoE as an example here. Input the username and the password that provided by your ISP. Change the wireless SSID and password as you want. Click OK. Check the connection status. If it shows connected, that means you can surf internet now.